Hey guys, it's Fred from Loco and Garage. Today we're going to be replacing the turn signals on my 1986 xt600. It's a pretty rare bike. I've done a fair amount of work to it. We're going to be using the MFC Pro turn signal and running light combos here. As you can see, it came with like a little harness with some resistors and things like that. Part of my mess, I'm literally working out of a shed, so room is definitely a little tight in here, but here it is. We're gonna throw it on. I've already put a turn signal, brake light, and running light combination in the back. I'll take a video of that, and I'm in the process of replacing the old xt600 carburetor with one from a Raptor 660. I'll make another video to show you guys what's going on with that. But here we go. Alright, hey guys, well, sorry, I lost all the footage of me putting the front turn signals in and wiring them up and everything. I made a mistake with the new GoPro. But if you guys would want to see that or whatever, I'll take it back apart if there's enough people that want to check it out. This was the rear tail light that I got from Amazon for like 11 bucks. It works fantastic. It does all the blinkers and everything, and it's just real nice. It's also got a plate light and stuff. This was the this was the headlight I also got from Amazon, 25 bucks. Super bright. I wired in the running lights to my turn signals, to the high beam switch. So super bright, pretty awesome. I'm really liking these. Turn signals are nice and bright. I don't know how much the turn signals were because I got them as a gift. So I just decided to throw them on, but that's pretty much how that went. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more cool videos. Alright, later.